female laid eggs, and after 20 to 23 days of laying eggs, 2 eggs hatched out to chicks, leaving 2 eggs behind. Chicks were very tiny to notice. Even I was not sure that eggs had been hatched out. With torch light, I noticed them. Gradually, fur grew up, and it yelled the babies will conceive medium ground finch characteristics. In the video, it can be noticed that their feathers are growing speedily, and very soon, they will be almost young to fly out of their mud nest decorated with straws. Internally, white finch is more sensitive than a medium ground finch. So when I approached to near their mud nest, white finch male flew speedily, but mother kept herself in the nest.